2020 was definitely a year to remember. Maybe you took the opportunity to connect with online and offline friends, develop new hobbies, or finish a craft project you've been putting off. In this video, we'll show you how to make a time capsule for this roller coaster of a year. Keep watching to see what we put in ours. To make a time capsule, follow these steps. First, you'll need a sturdy container with a lid. Ideally, choose a container that won't fall apart after several years have passed. A plastic container for the snacks you bought, or a large glass jar are both good options. Next, look for a good place to store your capsule. Though you might feel the urge to bury it underground, it's a better idea to keep it indoors in a cool, dry place. That way, the capsule will be less likely to degrade over time. You're not thinking of keeping your time capsule plain, are you? Gather up paint markers, scrapbook paper, stickers, anything you might want to decorate with. You could turn the exterior into a collage of headlines and quotes, or simply write out what's inside the container. If you plan to keep your capsule for an extended period of time, it's important to think about the longevity of your decorations. Instead of adding things to the outside, you can cut a piece of paper that fits the interior dimensions of the container. Draw or add stickers and washi tape to the paper, then use it to line the container. Decide on when you'll reopen the time capsule, whether it's exactly a year from now or even in 5 years. Put it in your planner or write the date on the container itself. So what do you put in a time capsule for 2020? How about a lock of hair from your first home haircut? Or the grocery list you used to stock your pantry? You can add newspaper clippings or printouts of articles that define the moment you decided to make the capsule. Throw in a month's worth of journal entries, or even your entire 2020 planner. If you'll be storing your capsule for more than a year, consider putting paper items in resealable plastic bags to protect them. You could also include something you made or enjoyed. Maybe you listened to a lot of new music. Write down what you had on repeat that month. People who knit might want to add a swatch of a new pattern or a miniature ball of yarn. Artists can put in handmade zines and other meaningful art. The sky's the limit. Your time capsule will be completely unique to you, so add what feels right. One of our favorite things to include in a time capsule is a letter to your future self. You can write about the goals you want to achieve in the near future, or just talk about what you're feeling in the moment. Remember, you're going to seal the capsule and put it away as soon as you're done adding things to it. So we recommend collecting all the items you want and putting them in the container at once. Before it's time to close up the capsule, make a list of all the things you put inside. You could even write down why something was so significant that you wanted to add it. Add your list to the container, then close it up and put it in your designated storage space. Now you have a 2020 time capsule that you can look back on. What would you put in a 2020 time capsule? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time!